Hey guys, I'm here outside once again. I'm gonna go down back to where that street area is, and I'm gonna do another ghost box session by myself this time. My sister decided to stay out of this one, so we're gonna go ahead and head down back to where I was standing at, and try to see if we can capture that victim's voice again, maybe perhaps. So I'm gonna start walking over there right now. Creepy street, if you ask me. I wanted to continue back down this road here. This is it's a long road. I don't know if you can see, but it's a pretty long road. Hello, are there any spirits here with me today? Neighbor? What is your name? Can you tell me your name, please? Steve? I keep getting your name a lot, Steve. Did you say my name? I just heard you say my name. Did you say car? Or I'm watching you? I heard that. Miguel? Yeah, I heard my name again. You sure? Zipper? Oh, my backpack zipper? Are there any spirits out here with me tonight? Can you say your name, please? Colors? Can you tell me what your name is? No? Justin? Help? What do you need help with?
Devil.
Say devil? Anybody there? Any spirits here? Yeah. Steve? I hear your name a lot, Steve. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna leave this area now. I'm gonna go out towards the sidewalk out here. This is mainly where I got the voices from. Somebody who said they died in a car crash from what I believe is drinking under the influence. Say Nathan? Hello, are there any spirits here? Where's this person that stated that they crashed on the street? Me? Who's me? Okay, I'm gonna stop this real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and try switching to the PSP7. Here we go. Hello, are there any spirits here with me? So it's not like I said just 8. 6? 10? Say Steve again?
What?
Who was the person that told me yesterday that they crashed here? Who was the person that said they crashed out here from drinking beer? Me? Told me that there was something evil on the street, is that correct? Right? Is this thing you're speaking of, did you say it said it was evil on the street? Is it living or is it spiritually? Say it spiritually? Whoa. I think the voice just went whoa too. I just heard it. It's funny. How many of you are here? Can you tell me how many spirits are here out here with me? 3? Are all three of you victims from this roadside? Alright, I'm gonna have to stop this session now, okay? I'm gonna go back inside and review this audio soon, okay? Thank you for talking to me if you did, okay? Good night.